Concrete slab cutting is a critical part of commercial construction. Precision, safety, and the right equipment can make the difference between a smooth project and costly delays. In this video, we'll show how professional slab cutting supports commercial construction projects across Florida. Concrete slab cutting is used to create precise openings and modifications in concrete surfaces. Contractors rely on professional slab cutting for plumbing installations, electrical systems, structural modifications, and large commercial renovations. Without proper cutting methods, concrete can crack, weaken, or delay the entire project timeline. Commercial slab cutting is commonly required in warehouses, commercial buildings, shopping centers, road and sidewalk modifications, industrial construction projects. Every cut must be planned carefully to protect structural integrity and ensure compliance with construction standards. Professional concrete cutting companies use high-powered slab saws designed for precision and depth control. Using the right equipment allows for clean, straight cuts, controlled depth, minimal structural vibration, safe and efficient job site performance. This level of precision is essential for large commercial construction projects. Hiring an experienced concrete cutting company helps contractors avoid costly mistakes and delays. With over 29 years of experience, Helder's Concrete Cutting supports commercial contractors with reliable, precise, and professional slab cutting services throughout Florida. We work directly with project managers, builders, and construction teams to keep projects moving efficiently. If your commercial project requires professional concrete slab cutting, trust the experts. Helder's Concrete Cutting provides reliable service, precision results, and free estimates for contractors and commercial construction projects. Contact our team today to schedule your next project.
Cut, drill, and saw.